Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Young here and welcome to a Super Smash Bros. News update. Sakurai has recently announced through a Miiverse post that a new challenger will be revealed in a short 3 minutes livestream on Monday, July 14th at 7 AM Pacific, 10 AM Eastern, and 4 PM European Central Time. Now, before you start wondering who this new challenger could be, there is a decent probability that this is none other than Shulk from Xenoblade Chronicles, which was a game released exclusively for the Wii. A number of Twitter users have noted that Monolith Soft and its various staff members have retweeted the Smash Bros. New challenger announcement. Unfortunately, for some reason, Monolith Soft's Twitter page no longer shows retweets, but if we go to the Twitter page of Yuichiro Takeda, a writer for Monolith Soft, you can see clearly that he retweeted the new challenger announcement by the Japanese Smash Bros. Twitter page. Unless Nintendo was announcing a Xenoblade character, I see no reason for Monolith Soft and its staff members to actively promote this announcement. What do you make of this? Will Nintendo reveal Shulk from Xenoblade Chronicles, or is Monolith Soft simply showing some love as a second-party developer for Nintendo? Be sure to let our nation know in the comments below, and to be further updated on Super Smash Bros., be sure to join the nation and subscribe to Young Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much, and Young out!